Basic English conversation for kids. Hi, I'm your friend. I will help you to practice English conversation. Please follow my direction. Words. After you listen each word, say the word. Cow, dog, cat. Listen to each sentence and repeat. Your conversation will get better. What is this and what is that? What is this? This is a cow. What is this? This is a cat. What is that? That is a dog. Word quiz. Cat.
3, 2, 1.
Cow.
3, 2, 1.
Dog.
3, 2,